Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
Indian oil-to-telecoms giant Reliance Industries reported earnings that missed analysts' estimates, despite a strong performance by its core oil refining business. The conglomerate, which is owned by Asia's richest man, Mukesh Ambani, reported a net profit of $2.25 billion between April and June. A deal to begin shipping Ukrainian grain to markets around the world will proceed despite Russia's surprise attack on the Black Sea port city of Odessa, Ukrainian officials said. Russia and Ukraine are two of the world's biggest exporters of wheat. The Australian dollar managed to gain some ground against the pound despite a mixed market mood. Asian stock markets headed lower, with China's Shanghai Composite and Hong Kong's Hang Seng both down. The pound-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.3% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The euro-dollar pair saw a minor dip of 0.1% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair dropped 1.1% in the last session, after rising as much as 1.8% during the session. The stochastic RSI's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The US Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index will be released at 14:30 GMT. The US Chicago Fed National Activity Index at 12:30 GMT. The US 3-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT. Japan's BOJ monetary policy meeting minutes will be released at 23:50 GMT. Germany's IFO current assessment at 0800 hours GMT. Germany's IFO expectations at 0800 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's Financial Review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial market.